Here I have DOOGEE S80, and today I'm going to show you how to change your icon's shape and like images, like how to customize your icons on this device. So to do this, what you need to do is to just download this app X Icon Changer from the Play Store. Then, when it opens, you just have to pick an app to which you want to change this icon. For example, let's pick Chrome, and here you can pick one of these proposed themes. A lot of different icons. You can also add like your photo from the camera or just from the gallery and set it as an icon, but I'll just set one of these proposed ones. I like this one, and then just tap OK. Please now and as you can see, this icon has been added. And now I have my new icon for the Google Chrome, which looks like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.